How's it going, pilots? This is Pete with BananaHobby.com. Thank you for joining me for this flight review of the ST Models brand new MX2 3D Extreme machine. Guys, this wind is completely blowing like crazy, but I didn't want to get out of here without making a video for you guys because this plane is just so much fun to fly. Before I get any farther with that, I want to say hello out to my little buddy Leon out in Santa Clarita, California. How's it going? We're gonna go ahead and fly this for you guys. So this is the MX2 3D Hype Aerobatic Team machine here. Oh my goodness, I took one test flight on this thing so far with the for the still pictures. The aerobatic and 3D capabilities are unbelievable. The wind is just blowing like so bad here today, but we're just gonna fly it for you anyway. This will come to you as a plug-and-play package where you can opt to use your own transmitter receiver, or you could get it as a ready-to-fly package. Today, I'm flying this with my own radio system, just because right now we've just got a couple people here. Don't have any frequency conflicts, so I can get this video made sooner. Basic 4-channel control. You got your throttle, ailerons, elevator, and rudder. You got really hefty control movements here, guys. That's like almost 90 degrees on the tail here. Extreme movements on the rudder as well. Very, very powerful brushless outrunner motor. Brushless ESC. Flies on an 1800. Comes with an 1800 3S 11.1 volt lithium polymer pack. I'm going to cut this short here, guys. Once again, this is the ST Models MX2. Beautiful mid-wing aerobatic machine. Mid-wings flies very, very stable. You can tone it down to fly like a big trainer. I got the extreme surfaces movements right now toned up pretty high, so I can throw this thing around for you guys. Let's go ahead and just get it up in the air and give you guys a flight review of the MX2 Extreme, available at BananaHobby.com. some serious high alpha fun in the windy California sunshine. This is the MX2, available at bananahobby.com. I'm sure on a non-windy day we can fly it a lot smoother for you and do some really nice scale aerobatics. But we took advantage of the wind and just really tossed her around. She really just got blown all over the place. But man, wasn't that fun? Those really slow Harrier landings. You can basically just hold it there in the wind. The performance of this thing is unlimited, guys. This is the MX2, available at bananahobby.com. We'll try to get out again for you guys sometime soon and get you guys a flight video of it not so windy over here. Wasn't able to really fly it smooth. Wind is just too strong today. Once again, ST Models MX2. This is Pete from bananahobby.com. Thank you for your support and for checking out this flight review. We'll see you guys on another day with another fun item to show you guys through the skies of California. See you guys on the web.